Welcome back, students. In previous session, we discussed about 2D shapes, right? In today's session, we're going to cover a new chapter, that is 3D shapes. So what is a 3D shape, children? A 3D shape is also known as solid shape. A solid shape basically means a shape which can be held by us through our hands, unlike 2D shapes. I told you that 2D shapes cannot be held by us through our hands. You can only draw 2D shapes on a piece of paper, but you cannot draw 3D shapes on a piece of paper. The word 3D basically means a shape that has three measurements: length, breadth and height. Over here you can see this is the length, the breadth and the height. The image, the shape which has three dimensions, namely the length, breadth and height, is called 3D shape. So today we're going to understand and learn about different types of 3D shapes like cuboid, cube, cylinder, sphere and cone. So let's begin. Children, in order to understand different features of 3D shape, we're going to understand some words like the first word, edge. Edge means the sides that we have studied yesterday, right? The sides is also called the edge. This is called the face, children. The colored portion is called the face, and this pointed portion where the small dot is made is called the vertex or the corner. Fine, let's understand this from the book now. If you can see, the first picture is of a cuboid. Children, this portion is called the side. A cuboid has 12 sides, and all these colored portions are called the faces, and cuboid has 6 faces, and the point where these sides meet are called corners. So there are 8 corners. So underline this portion: 12 sides, 6 faces and 8 corners. This is the basic information of a cuboid. The next picture is of a cube, children. A cube also has 12 sides just like a cuboid, 6 faces and 8 corners. Now the only difference between a cube and a cuboid is that in cuboid the opposite sides are equal, and in cube all the sides are equal. Okay, children? The third picture is of a cylinder. A cylinder, as you can see, has 2 edges. You can see it has 2 edges, means 2 sides. And how many faces? 3 faces. Okay, children? And it has no corners. A cylinder has no corner, children. Okay? The next picture is a sphere. As you can see, the blue colored picture is of a sphere. It has no side and no corner. It has only one curved face, children. Only one curved face. Then comes a cone. It is a cone, children, you can see. I can make a cone over here for you for better understanding. The pointed portion is called the corner. So it has only one corner and 2 faces. This and this. There are 2 faces and 1 corner. Right, children? 1 corner, 2 faces and only 1 side. Okay, children? So these are some information that you have to keep in mind regarding each shape. You have to underline all this information with a pencil, and you have to learn this in the form of fill in the blanks. Now, let's do the classwork. Before doing the classwork, these are some real life examples of the shape we have just learned. So this is an example of a cube. Yes, children, a dice, an ice cube, sugar cubes, all these are of the shape of a cube. The second picture, yes, this is an example of a cuboid, children. A book, a matchbox, an almirah, a brick, all these are a shape of a cuboid. Yes, this is an example of a cone, right? Joker's cap, sharpened pencil, a funnel. These are examples of a cone. Moving on, this is an example of a sphere, children, right? A football and a globe, a cricket ball, an orange. Yeah, these are examples of a sphere. And the last, these are all examples of cylinder. You can see this all around yourself, right? A chalk, a tube light, a glass, a candle, all these are 3D shapes, an example of a cylinder. So now let's come to the classwork. This is page 67 of mental maths. So there are some words given in the box. So let us fill in the boxes with these words. A football is a dash. So what is the shape of a football? It's a sphere, right? The second picture, it's a 2D shape. What is it? Yes, it's a triangle, three-sided figure. The third, a line is being made. Which type of line is it? A curved line. The fourth is a straight line. Let's move on to the fifth. See, it's a table being made, and a table has a dash surface. A table has a plane surface, right children? Write down plane over here. Then a brick. What is a brick? Brick is a cuboid. We've just learnt that, right? The seventh one, it is a shape of a rectangle. Write down rectangle over there. Next, it is a 3D shape. Which 3D shape is it? Yes, it's a cylinder. The ninth one, it is a cone. Yes. The 10th is an example of a 2D shape of a square. All the sides of the square are equal, right? The 11th picture is of a circle, children. It's a circle. And the 12th, it's a 3D shape. Which is it? Yes, a cube. So fill in these boxes with the words given above. And after this, you have your homework now. From your mental maths, you have to do page 68. Okay, children? I hope you've understood the concept of 3D shapes now. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.